Hi everyone, this is Mehmood Sheikh, and in today's video I will discuss about real-time systems. Okay, real-time operating systems are intended to serve real-time applications that process data as it comes in, typically without buffer delays. Okay, so these real-time applications are quick and super fast, and they are capable enough to process the data the moment when that data comes in, and there are no chances of delaying. Okay, so here, as you can see, without any buffer delay. Okay, so here these real-time systems are designed to fulfill the requirements of time critical applications. Okay, that's what the second point says. These critical systems are designed to manage rigid and precise time requirements of critical applications. Okay, these real time systems are used in such applications, in such places where there are no chances of errors, when we cannot make any mistakes, where our system doesn't afford to make mistakes. Okay, so in those situations these real systems are used, like in the cases of airlines monitoring systems. Okay, and here I have mentioned few of the examples. Real-time systems are used in monitoring satellite in motion. Okay, at the time when we are releasing the satellite, that is the crucial moment. At that time anything can happen. Okay, so these systems are capable enough in monitoring the time to time, second by second detail of those situations. So these real-time systems are capable enough in monitoring that time critical situations. Okay, and then launching a space shuttle. Okay, so that is also a crucial situation. Okay, and next is medical imaging systems. This one is also important because the moment when we are scanning the person, at that time itself we need to get the data. Okay, and then industrial control systems, weather monitoring and forecasting system applications, weapon monitoring systems, multimedia. Okay, so in all these applications we use real-time systems because they are fast, because they are quick, and they are capable enough in processing the information in seconds. Okay, so that's why we use real-time systems in handling the crucial situation. Okay, so that was everything about real-time systems. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I hope you understood what is a real-time system and what are those situations where we can use these real-time systems. Okay, and I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.